All right, then again, welcome to the to this session. Here you are. Let me see. Take this here. Welcome to this session. Today we are going to talk about the masters offered in English, of course, in KU11 from the Faculty of Engineering Technology. So, who are we? First of all, KU11. KU11 is a global university located in the heart of Europe. Currently, we count almost 64,000 students, from whom 15,000 are international students. And in starting 11, you will have a truly international experience from many libraries, bookshops, restaurants, and a very dynamic and diverse cultural scene. Um, KU11 has been ranked as the most innovative university in Europe, and this year for 2024 we have been ranked for education 43rd worldwide, which is quite exciting. Um, there are offered 137 master's programs, but only 73, but it's not only, it's quite a lot, masters in English. The rest are in Dutch, the official language here, and 24 advanced masters in English. An advanced master, but we're going to talk about this a little bit later. An advanced master is a master that you can follow after you have already done one master. And next year, we are very happy because we celebrate our 600 years of anniversary, our birthday, because KU11 was was built in 1425. So KU11 is a very big university. It has 16 faculties, 16 faculties. One of them is the Faculty of Engineering Technology. This faculty, the Faculty of Engineering Technology, is the third largest faculty of KU11 and is spread around 7 campuses, so in 7 different cities. There is 1 bachelor in English, 8 masters in English, and 3 advanced masters. As we said before, what is the advanced master? Only in our faculty, in these 7 campuses, we have almost 6,000 students, as you can see, from whom 1,100 are international students. Then, so we narrow it down. We started from the university, we go to the faculties, and now we narrow it down more in specific in one of the 7 campuses of the Faculty of Engineering Technology, which is the Group T11 campus. The Group 11 campus is, of course, located in Leuven, and 11 has been ranked, also voted as Europe's most innovative city. Only in our campus, where I'm located as well. Oh, there's one more person. So only in our campus, where I'm located as well, we have almost 2,500 students, from whom this number is a little bit bigger, larger this year. It's a little bit more than 800 of international students, representing 81 different nationalities. And there's only one building, only one campus. Here in this campus, your creativity and entrepreneurship skills will be nurtured, and we focus on future technologies such as health engineering and sustainable engineering. So we started from what is KU11, the 16 faculties, and one faculty, our faculty, Faculty of Engineering Technology, has 7 campuses. We talked about the campus. Then what are the programs offered in this campus? In English, of course. So there is a master in electromechanics, electromechanical engineering, mechatronics differently, electronics and ICT, biochemical engineering, and chemical engineering. These are the 4 master degrees offered. More specifically, every master, every program, each one of these four that I just mentioned, they have specific options and focuses. So for the Master of Electromechanics, for example, there is two focuses, two options in mechatronics or management, and then you have to choose one option that is either advanced robotics or digital and lightweight manufacturing, vehicle design, eco technologies, or clinical engineering. For electronics and ICT, there are three options, three focuses. Advanced electronics, software systems, and management. For biochemistry, biomedical engineering, genetic and bioprocess engineering. And for chemistry, there is only one focus, that is sustainable process and materials engineering. After you have finished this program, and if you want it, you are directly admitted to one. There is an advanced master, only one option, only one program in our campus at least. In other campuses of the faculty, there are more. The advanced master in innovative health technology. So why to choose one of these programs? Because there are many reasons. Because the study programs are research-based, ensuring that you acquire academic skills, but at the same time you develop a critical and innovative approach. You get advanced knowledge. As I said at the beginning, KU11 has been ranked as 43rd in the world for its education. And the ability to apply this knowledge, the theoretical knowledge, to put it into practice in the engineering profession. And lastly, Group T has a very, very close collaboration with industry through our alumni chapter. And then you can come into contact with numerous companies that will ensure the development of your entrepreneurship skills. So we said who we are, then who are you? You are a person who is fascinated by science and technology, and you want to put the theoretical knowledge into practice. This is also something that differentiates us in engineering technology from other faculties of the KU11, that it's very hands-on mentality and the knowledge is very, very applied. There are many labs, there are many hands-on things. And you are innovative, creative, and entrepreneurial. So one of the four boxes, each box represents one of the masters. As you can see, the first one, you're fascinated by the capabilities of bacteria yeast, represents or refers to biochemistry, the second in chemistry, the third in electromechanics, and the last one in electronics and ICT engineering technology. I will allow you 1 minute, maybe two, to read through them. Thank you, Ben. Okay, you ready, I assume? I said 1 to 2 minutes to allow you some time. Maybe you have questions afterwards. That's why I want to you to read it. Okay, voila, we go again. So we said which is the university, what are the faculties, the campuses, everything, and what are the programs. Then how is the process of admission and application? So the admission requirements are quite straightforward. So you have to have a bachelor degree, which is in a relative cognate area, of course, and a solid background in science and mathematics. Then, apart from this, we have a language requirement. We accept these three tests, either the TOEFL or the IELTS, Cambridge, and the Cambridge. And exempted from the language requirement are only those who have studied not only in English, but in English in an English-speaking country. You can say, like, in Australia, English-speaking Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, of course, the United Kingdom, and of course, the United States. As an additional requirement, we strongly encourage our candidates to submit also a GRE test, although it's not mandatory, but it will be a great asset in your application. But it's not mandatory, as I say. The application instructions in this link I will send you, they are quite, again, straightforward and go step by step. Be very careful to the application deadlines because these are quite strict. So 1st of March is the application deadlines for non-EEA citizens, and 1st of August for EEA and non-EEA who are living already in Belgium. And this is for you to allow you more time to arrange all the other things that you need in order to come here. So step by step, the application process is the following. You check online and you see in which program you are truly interested, and you check the admission requirements of this program. If you see that it's a good fit for your interest and the documents, then you submit your online application, which means that you create an account in the platform K11, you fill in your details, your personal details, and then you have to upload some documents, which are, for example, CV, motivation letter, the transcripts of your studies, the language test, of course, and you will find everything in detail. And after you submit everything, you upload everything, sorry. After you upload everything, you can submit your application. What is important here to be said is that if you are in the process of your study, if you haven't graduated yet, please don't wait to graduate in order to submit your application. You can start today, let's say tomorrow, and add documents in the process. I'm saying this because after you have submitted all documents, you should count an approximate 6 to 8 weeks for us to give you an answer. And this is because your application will be evaluated from many different departments in the process. We take a holistic view in all applications and are evaluated by different people, by different groups, by different departments. So that's why if you have something, you can start. If you haven't graduated yet, for example, you can upload the transcripts that you have until today. And if you don't have an English test, for example, you can upload a test booking where your name and the test date is clearly visible. Online follow-up, the third step is this 6 to 8 weeks I just mentioned, and then you get an answer from us and you can start your study. Tuition fees and fee waivers. So the tuition fees as the application deadlines, which I sent you the links in a little while in the chat, are quite specific. So it's not something general for everyone. So it's better everyone to check from themselves. And there is a limited number of partial tuition fee waiver for the advanced master in innovative health technology. For other scholarship opportunities, you can start again on your own. So once you're here, what are the student services offered? We have welcome sessions that are very important, and it's almost mandatory to attend because you will get a lot of information and you will get to know your peers, but also people from senior years. We offer help in housing and mobility. We comprise the Campus International Office. We offer study career guidance through mentor study trunk counselors and a student career center for afterwards. We have an ombuds for your studies, during your studies, and specifically for the exams, and of course, facilities for students with disabilities. So you learned what is the K11, you uploaded all your documents, you got submitted, you submitted, you got accepted, and then you graduated. Then what? What to do afterwards then? These are some examples of professions that our alumni follow. I will leave you a little bit to read them through. This is for electromechanics. It's suggested. It's for electronics, chemistry, biochemistry, and the Advanced Master in Innovative Health Technology. So if you have any questions, I will write our email address here, the cio.crypty in the chat, in case that you have questions that you think and you have questions later on, and I will reply to your email. You can always go online and search in our campus, and you can follow us in the social media to see if you want to see what are we doing here. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for attending. And what are your questions?